Ever wonder what happens to all that old wood from a construction site? Let's follow the journey. It can get buried in a landfill, or it can be transformed into a brand new resource. Its fate is decided by a whole system of rules, businesses, and some pretty cool technology. First stop, a regulatory checkup. In Ontario, the law acts as a gatekeeper, sorting the wood. This official definition is the fork in the road. It separates clean wood from the treated stuff. So you've got two piles: clean wood that can be recycled and potentially hazardous wood. A big concern is wood painted before 1978 because there's a really high chance it contains lead. To check, a sample goes through a special test that mimics landfill conditions to see what leaches out. And this is the magic number. If lead leaches out above 5.0, that wood's path changes completely. Okay, once it's classified, the wood has to get moving. That's where service providers come in. You got companies like 905wood.com that specialize in the logistics of just moving this material. They use everything from small bins for reno projects to absolutely massive trailers for industrial sites. Pricing can be a simple flat rate, or it can be split up by bin rental and weight. Now for the clean wood. This is where it gets really interesting. It's not waste, it's a resource. And the province is actually pushing this with its Forest Biomass Action Plan, creating jobs and green products. So what can it become? Bioenergy, bio-coal, mulch for your garden, or even reclaimed furniture. The possibilities are huge. Companies like CHR Technologies are already turning the stuff into biocarbon to replace coal in steelmaking. Wild. So if this is all so great, why aren't we recycling every single piece of clean wood? Well, believe it or not, the recycling rate for this stuff is estimated to be only about 15%. A big reason is money. As you can see, it's often way cheaper just to send wood to a landfill. Contamination is the other killer. If a clean load gets mixed with junk, recyclers might just reject it. This leaves us with a big question. Can we finally close this gap and turn all this waste into wealth?